Hello, Fatma. How are you, dear? Hi. I'm good too, my dear. Hi. Why are you wearing a double T-shirt? Because of the cold? Okay. But you should take care of yourself, right? As it is very cold over there. Try to wear the warm clothes. Good. How's your sister? He's fine. Okay. Okay. She eats cake and spread the cake all over the table. On your table, and your table is dirty, it's okay, you can clean it up. You're a big girl, you can do your things by yourself. Good. She like to eat cakes? Oh, that's good. Yes. Okay. And who made these baked the cakes? Did your mother bake it, or you get it from market? Okay, you got it from very far away. Yeah, it's look like a spaceship. You are right. It's shaped like a ship. Be careful now. Be careful with that. Okay. It's also very yummy. That's good. I'm hungry. Let's wait for Kartikesh and Nafe and Shafe. Let them come. Then we will start our class. Who is there? Is she's your sister? Okay. Okay, your pet. You have a dog as a pet. What, what's its name? Did you keep Bingo? Okay, Bingo. That's a nice name. Bingo. 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 Okay. What is the color of your dog? Okay, eyes are red and the tail is black. That's good. Okay, is brown. Body color is brown. Great. So, what he has? Okay, he has a collar. Is his name written over the collar? Everyone brings the pets. Okay, great. So every day you take him to the walk with you, and you also take him to the school. Wow, that's Wow. There should be so many different type of pets in your school, at your class, at your school. Okay, you play with them in your at the in the break time. Good, great. Okay. Uh, sorry, ma'am. Can you please repeat? Okay. 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 Oh, that's good. Your dog, your dog can jump. It can sit. It can do flips. And what else it can do? You have a very talented pet, I must say. What? Okay. What he did? It's okay. Maybe it did it accidentally, not purposely. It's happened sometimes. Okay, so mom, let's begin our class. Tell me, let's start with the circle time. So tell me, how's the weather today? Yesterday we learned about the weather. Today is snowy. Okay, at night it was snowy, and in the morning, even in the morning it was snowy. Okay, for coming 6 weeks it will be snowy. So you like the snowy weather? I love the snowy weather. Do you like the snowy weather? Okay, you make a snowman. Very good, very nice. Okay, you made snow castle. Hello, Kartikesh. Welcome to the class. How are you? Hi. Okay, Kartikesh, we are talking about the weather. As yesterday we learned about some different weathers, today we will going to reinforce the same topic, okay? So tell me, Maham told us that it is snowy over there and she loves to make snowman. What about you, Kartikesh? How's the weather over there at your place? Okay, it is hot and you eat a lot of ice creams. That's very good. So let's quickly reinforce the weathers. I'm not talking about the seasons, weather. These are the seasons. These are the. Okay. Okay, is my screen is visible? Good. Sunny. Yes, it's sunny. Okay. What's the weather? Rainy. freezing. Yeah, it's freezing over there because it's snowing. Yes, you are right, mom. Okay, what weather? Okay, wait, please wait. Please wait. Let me take the Shafe. Hello, Nafe. Hello, Shafe. Welcome to the class. We are reinforcing the weather slides. Okay, sunny, rainy, freezing. Okay, now tell me what weather is it? Windy. It's windy. Oh, hot. Hot. Right now it's very hot at Kartikesh place. Rainbow. Thunder. Cloudy. Tornado. Tornado. Yes. Yes, it's cold. Please wait. I think there is someone else with us. Let me guess. Yes, and Nafe and Shafe. Okay. Yes. Okay, we were on. Okay, cold. Yes, it's snowy. Drizzle, drizzling. When the rain, there is very light raining. Drizzling. Okay, please wait. Let me check who is coming again and again in the class. Okay. Yes. Hello, Shafi and Nafi. Welcome to the class. Can you please put on your video quickly? Nafi and Shafi, please turn on your video so we all will be able to see you. Great. Yes, Nafi and Shafi, how are you? Why are you always late 5 to 10 minutes? Try to be on time. We have finished with our circle time. Next time, please be on time, okay? Because when I'm presenting the screen, it's very difficult to come back to the class again and again. And the lesson will be interrupted. Okay, let's start with our reading. Phonics, diagraphs. Okay, what is the sound of this diagraph? Oh, no. Ooh. What is the sound? Ooh. Ooh. R. Yes, you are right. R. Very good. O. Good. What is the sound of this diagram? Air. Good. Very good. Air. R. Okay. When I and R come together, they make the sound R. R. What is the sound? R. What is the sound? What is the sound? R. What is the sound? whirl and twirl. R, whirl and twirl. G, l, girl. D, t, dirt. B, d, bird. Tw, turn. Th, d, third. W, whirl. Whirl and twirl. Whirl and twirl. Okay. Yes, Kartikesh? Yes, Nafi? Twirl. Because the sound is twirl, twirl. Whirl and twirl. WH sounds whirl. Whirl and twirl. Twirl. Okay? Okay, Kartikesh. Can you please? Yes? Yes, Kartikesh. Can you please start reading? Twirl. 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 It's whirl and twirl. Okay, good. Yes, very good. Everybody please clap for Kartikesh. Yes, Mahan, your turn. Arsalan, girl. Arsalan, very good. Bird. Yes. Wall. Very good. Clap for Maha. Yes. Now for your turn. It's twirl. Twirls mean when we did something very quickly. Okay? Good, very good. Please clap for Nafi. Good. Now Shafi, your turn. 12. It's 12. 12. Third. Third. Whirl. Whirl. Okay? Good. Okay, please clap for Shafi, everybody. Okay, Nafi and Shafi, Maha was saying that it is snowing over there. No, she never lies. She's a good girl. Maybe it was snowy at her place, but not at your place. It's okay, no problem. Okay, just tell me, have you prepared the things for activity today? Nafi and Shafi? Okay, we will discuss it later. Right now, this is English lesson time. So let's see what we will do what we will do today. Waiting time. Let me open your worksheet. No, not right now, dear. Maybe we will play later, but not right now. Right now, this is your English lesson time. So we will do the worksheet. Okay, today we will do the words that begin with the magical E. Yeah, magical is. Yes, dear student. Today in online class we will learn about the magical E. That words that end with the magical E. How we pronounce a word when it ends with the letter E. You know, when a word ends with the letter E, the E keeps silent. It doesn't make its sound. It doesn't say its sound. It says silent. Okay, first of all, we are going to watch a video. This is your waiting time, so please wait. Let me play the video for you. Okay, is anyone want to sing a rhyme? Okay, first Kartikesh. First Kartikesh is going to sing a rhyme. Yes, Kartikesh. Well done, Kartikesh. Yes, Maham, your turn now. Yes, dear. Yes, Nafe. Okay, Shafi is going to sing. What you are. Chocolate bar. You make a new version? Yes, please. We love to hear this version. Please go ahead. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, chocolate. What is this now, Faye? You are in the class. This is how you behave during the class. You must be serious. You are a big boy now. Okay, let all of you sing together. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Very good. Okay, let's watch the video now. Magically, the letters which come with the magically. Okay, watch the video very carefully. Please pay attention. magically. i- Okay, these are the vowels. What are these? Vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Magically makes the sound long. It makes the short sounds long. This is the magically. Thin, fine, thin, fine. Hat, hit, hat, mate. Bit, bite, cut, tip, kite. This is the magically cat tape, pot, rod, road, cup, tube. Magically, this magically makes the short sound long. Okay, can you hear the voice? Okay. Can, man, made, red, right, hid, hide, not, note, robe. When the magical E comes at the end, it doesn't repeat its sound. Dim, time, that made, that paid, that paid, math made. Magically makes the short sounds long. Magically makes the sound. It makes the short sounds long. So, okay. So whenever the magical E comes at the end of the word, it never repeats its sound. It doesn't say its sounds. It keeps silent. Okay? It keeps silent. It doesn't repeat its sound. Let me share the video with you. Okay. No, Nafi, can you please read the sentence, first sentence? For each picture. Read each word. Circle the correct word for each picture. So let's find out some more words. Let's read some more words with magical E. Just like, okay, in the first picture, which one is the, which letter is with the magical E? Kite. Yes, yes, Maha. In the second picture, mop. Move. Mom, move. Yes, you are right. Very good. Very good. Okay. Smile and while. They both are with magical. Yes, Kartikesh, can you please read the third one? It's smile and while. It's not wheel. While. Smile, while. So you are going to circle the both words because these both words are with magical E. Okay, Shafe, can you please read the next one? Bake cake. So which one you are going to circle or color? Hmm? Bake and cake both because they both are with magically. Bake, bake, cake, cake. Okay, let's go to the next picture. Which one we will circle? Cap, cape, cap or cape? Cape, very good. Okay, the last one is writ. and ride. Right, very good. Now the next question is choose the correct words from the green box to put in the spaces. Okay. Shafi, can you please read the words that are written in the green box? Eight, bike, came, shade, 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 race. Very good. Okay. Kartikesh, can you please start reading? From here, our class went to the park yesterday. Please dash. Yes, what comes in the first blank? Yes, Maham. Maham, Nafe, Shafe. Yes. We had to drive. Well done. To the park in the school bus. Good. Well done, Kartikesh. Excellent. Okay. We sat under the dash. Yes, Maham. What will come in the second blank? We sat under the dash of a tree. No, we sat under the dash of a tree. What will become in the dash? You have to fill the space. Maham, you need to choose the word from the green box. Can you see the green box on your screen? Can you see that? Yes, Maham, do you see the green box? The screen is not visible to you? The screen is visible to you. There is a green box over there, over here. Can you see that? There are some words written in the green box. Look, ate, bike, drive, came, time, shade, and race. Do you see that? Shade, well done. Shade, we sat under the shade of a tree. Okay, Nafe, and dash our lunch. What will come in the third blank? Nafe, eight, well done. And ate our lunch. Yes, Shafe, can you please start reading? We had a skipping dash. Yes, Shafe, what will come? We had a skipping dash. Race, well done. Well done, well done. Excellent. We had a skipping dash. We had a skipping race. And I dash first. Yes, Nafe, Shafe, Kartikesh, Maham, tell me what will come in this space. And I dash first. Came. And I came first. Okay. I like to go to the park. Next dash. Bike. No, not bike. Next dash, I will ride my bike. Bike will come at the last, in the last space. But what will come in the second last space? Next dash. Next time. Next. We are on the second line, second last line, Kartikesh. Next. Next time. Okay, now you understand where are we? Good. Okay, good. Next time I will ride my bike. Okay? This is how you will solve your worksheet.
Can you just have a pinch of
Okay, all of you. So I want you to tell me 5 words with magically. You have 2 minutes. Just go, bring your paper. No, no, bring your paper, bring your pencil, and write 5 words with magically right now. One on the count of three. One, two, three. Go quickly. Bring your pencil and your paper. You have to write 5 words with magically. Okay, write 5 words with magically. That ends with magically. Elephant ends with magically. I didn't say, Maham, that you have to write the word that start with E. I told you that you have to write the word that end with magically. Okay. Yes. The words that ends with the magically. It means that have the E at the end. Okay, I'm going to play the video again. You can take some help from there. I'm going to play the video again for you. Look, this is pin, pine, pine. This is pin, in. When we add magical E, it becomes pine. Look, it's fin, in, fin. But when we add magical to E, with it becomes fine. Hat, hate. Mat, mate. Bit, bite. It, bit. And when we add magical E with it, it becomes bite. Kit, kite, kite. Look, man, main, read, right, it, hide, not, note, rock, robe. Okay, wait for Nafi and Shafe. Met, meet, fad, fate, pet, met, meet. Okay. Are you done, all of you? Okay, just keep it if you have to. Kartikesh, can you please tell me can you please read the words for us that you have written? Okay. Yes, no, your turn, Maham. Very good, Kartikesh. Maham. Fine. It's fine. Fine. Kind. Kind doesn't end with the magically. Kite. It will be kite. Kite. Okay. Well, well done. Well done, Maham. Yes, Shafi, your turn. Next word, pine. Pen, pen. You have to write the word that ends with Kartikesh. Please be back to your seat. Shafi, you have to write the words that end with magically. It means E comes at the end of the word, not in the middle, not in the beginning. At the end of the word. Okay? Just like pine, kite, rod, fine, note, close. Yes, you are right. Well done, Shafi. Excellent. Close. Close ends with E magically. Okay, Nafi, your turn. Game, good. Mate, still, state doesn't end with magically. Stage can, stage. Stage ends with magically. Stage. Seat and C. Seat. But in C, the E saying its name now. In C word, when it says E, it means E is saying its sound. In magically, E doesn't say its sound. It remains silent. It doesn't say its sound. It keeps silent. So, okay, we will reinforce it tomorrow again. But right now, this is your maths lesson work. So let's see what we will do in our maths period today. Because I didn't present it to you. So that's why it is not presented. Okay, I will share it too. Okay, in today's class we will reinforce the topic of meters and centimeters. So yesterday, let me present. Yes, yes. Who is going to tell me to? Yes, very good, Maham. How many centimeters are there in 3 meter? Well done, Maham. Excellent, 300. There will be 300 centimeter in 3 meters because 1 meter have 300 centimeter in it. 100 centimeter. Okay, now who is going to tell me if there are 5 meter, how much centimeter will be there? 500, excellent. And 200 centimeter have how many meters do 200 centimeters have? 200 centimeter have how much centimeter? 2 centimeter. Excellent, Shafi and Nafi. Well done. Okay, these are the heights of 5 children. Write them in centimeters in order of height. Start with the tallest. So what you will have to do, there are some heights written over here. The first boy name is Sam. Second is Finn, Joe, Ali and Kiran. Sam is 1 meter 8 centimeter long and Finn is 1 meter 14 centimeter long and Joe is 1 meter 31 centimeter long and Ali's height is 1 meter 26 centimeter and Kiran's height is 1 meter 18 centimeter. So what you have to do, you have to write these heights in this chart and you will start from the tallest one, the biggest one. Who is the tallest one? uh, so let's start with the Okay. Let's read these heights. 1 meter 8 centimeter is bigger than 1 meter 14 centimeter, or 1 meter 14 centimeter is bigger than 1 meter 8 centimeter. Which one is the tallest one? There are five heights written over there. You have to start from the tallest one. Tell me the tallest one. Which is the tallest one between these five? Excellent, Nafe. Well done. 1 meter and 31 centimeter. So first we will write 1 meter and 31 centimeter. Excellent. Okay. Okay. Now which one comes on the second? Excellent, Shafi. 1 meter and 26 centimeter. Yes, Kartikesh. Next is your turn. Which number comes next? 1 meter and 18 centimeter, or 1 meter 14 centimeter? Which comes next? Excellent job, Kartikesh. 1 meter and 18 centimeter will come next. Yes, Maham, next is your turn. Which one come next? 1 meter 14 centimeter or 1 meter 8 centimeter? Excellent, good job. 1 meter and 14 centimeter. And 1 meter and 8 centimeter will come at the last. Now you understand how you will do this? And I hope you will do your homework this time. And please also complete your pending work. Excellent. Okay, now this is your activity time. Quickly, Nafe and Shafe, this one time. Yeah, I really can't understand. Why don't you read the material list? Okay, for this activity you need a tape, a paper tape, a scotch tape, or whatever kind of tape you have at your home. Quickly and get it. Today we will do an activity. Which activity? Today we are going to do walking on a line. What? Yes, Kartikesh? Yes, please take out your scissors as well. Okay, everybody show me your tape. All of you. Where is your tape? Bring your tape, children. Okay, what's the color of your tape? Yes, Kartikesh, what's the color of your tape? Yellow. My tape color is green. Yes, Nafi and Shafi? What's the color of your tape? White. Maham, you don't have to cut it right now. So please wait. Wait. Okay, Kartik. Okay, Kartikesh. Okay, all of you children, please listen to the teacher. This is how we open the tape. Can you please show me how we open the tape? Look. Yes, like this. Very good. All of you, please open the tape. Open the tape like this. Now I want you to put the tape on the floor. Not on the carpet, just on the floor. Stick it on the, yes, on the floor in a line. You have to make a straight big line. Open the tape. Now start sticking it on the floor and make a 1 meter long, 1 meter long line on the floor. Straight. Yes, very good. Press it down. Press it down. Keep pressing it now. Keep it. Now cut the tape at the end. Okay, all of you, I want you to show me where you have stick the tape. Just show me where. Maham, I can't see, dear. Kartikesh, please be back to your seat. Okay, Kartikesh, did you stick the tape on the floor? Okay, can you please show me where you have stick it? All of you, please set your cameras. Okay, no cut at the end. No cut the tape. Yes. And now we will walk on it one by one. Nafi and Shafi, have you done? Did you stick the tape? Maham, Nafi and Shafi. Okay, wait. Let me show you how you have to. Okay, I'm going to show you the video. You have to stick the. Okay, that's great, Maham. Let me show you. This is how you have to stick the tape in the line on the floor. All of you, please look at your screen. Look, okay, now everybody let's stand. Look, this is the standing point, like that boy is standing at the standing point. Look at your screen and look at the feet of that boy. Look, that boy is standing on the starting point. All of you, please, everybody, let's stand on the at the starting point. Yes, now I want all of the children to standing on their starting point. All of you, please stand on the starting point. Yes, Kartikesh. Where is your tape? Can you please show me? Okay. Now we walk like this, 1 foot in front of the other. Let me show you how you have to walk. Wait. Let me show you, Maham. Please wait. Yes, like this. Look how this kid is walking, taking very small steps. One by one, we walk like this, 1 foot in front of the other. And walk on the, now turn back and go back. Go slowly, take small steps. Okay, wait. Okay, all of you please wait. First, Kartikesh, you are going to show me how to walk. Start walking on the tape and show me. Very good, Kartikesh. Excellent. Now turn back and go back. Turn around and go back. Walk. Take on the, well done, very good. Excellent. Yes, Nafi and Shafi, your turn, one by one. Excellent, Kartikesh. A star for Kartikesh. A star for Kartikesh. Yes, Nafi and Shafi, your turn. Nafi, Shafiq, please turn on your video. Okay, Maham, set your video on the floor. Set your camera towards the floor where you have set the tape. You, okay, you have set your tape. Now walk on it. Very good, Maham. Walk on it. Start walking. Very good, very good. Now turn and go back. Good. A star for Maham. Excellent. What about you? Nafi and Shafi, you even didn't stick the tape. Why are you cutting the tape into the pieces? Why are you cutting the tape into the pieces? You can just stick it with the big piece. Yes, Nafi and Shafi, please be quick. Quickly, quickly, Nafi and Shafi, stick the tape on the floor. I'm waiting for you. Come on, guys, you're big boys. Nafi, help Shafi to stick. Okay, have you done, Nafi and Shafi? Please turn on your video and start walking on the tape. First, Shafi is going to start walking. Stand on the starting point. Very good, Shafi. You are doing it so well. Very nicely. You put it very good, very good. Yes, walk, 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 walk. No, turn back, turn. Very good. No, walk. One by one on the tape. Well done. Very good. Excellent. Yes, Nafi, now your turn. Good. Okay, very good. Excellent, Nafi and Shafi. A star for you. One star for Nafi and one star for Shafi. Well done. Excellent. Okay, the class time is over now. I will meet you. Till then, take care. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care. Take care. Bye.